Hello everyone. We are Group 2 and our topic is weather and climate. Our group consists of 4 members, namely Shubhashri Zadav, Agrani Joshi, Vrisha Bhaire and Anushka Ganzve. Weather. Weather is the day-to-day state of the atmosphere and varies from minutes to weeks. People generally think of weather as the combination of temperature, humidity, precipitation, cloudiness, visibility, and wind. Climate. The climate is describing the long term and average weather conditions for a specific region. Example: maritime climate, cold dry desert climate, tropical climate. Global climate classification maps highlight the high variety of climates. The climate is composed of different components and factors. Why we chose the topic weather and climate? There are several reasons to choose this topic. Some of them are: everyone in our group found it more interesting than the other shortlisted topics. It was a pretty wide topic. It is the most ignored topic in our day-to-day life. So we thought, why not to concentrate on this topic? We all had curiosity to explore the topic. What we did: news. We collected news from various platforms. Some of them are Times of India, Indian Express, Hindustan Times, The Weather Channel, and NDTV. Information. We collected information in some main topics, which are as follows: weather, climate, timeline of meteorology, and temperature. We also have daily accurate and predicted temperature from September 2020 to December 2020, and also average temperature of each Indian state in 2020.
We had an experience working in groups, but not online. So taking calls and meetings almost every day was at first very confusing. But eventually, as the time passed, it became straightforward. Grouping members. When we listened to the to-dos, we then decided to group the members to work simultaneously. So we made two groups, news and information. We included 3 girls in news as it was the actual project, and to achieve the target, we needed more of us. And 1 girl in information, as that was enough compared to the work. Making groups doesn't mean doing individual work. We all met every Friday and Saturday to discuss about the same. Some top news headlines. Extreme weather events, disasters killed 2,000 people across India in 2020. IMD report. Climate change, extreme weather causes huge losses in 2020. India bore or brunt of extreme weather events in 2020 report. Unseasonal rain causes Mumbai's max temperature to dip. Global warming, India heating up slowly. Odisha not in top disaster states in 2020. Some information topics. Forecasting weather and predicting climate. All about Arctic climatology and meteorology. Climate variability. Climate change. Observations. Weather. Weather is what the forecasters on the TV news predict each day. They tell people about the temperature, cloudiness, humidity, and whether a storm is likely in next few days. That's weather. It is the mix of events that happens each day in our atmosphere. Weather is not the same everywhere. It may be hot and sunny in one part of the world, but freezing and snowy in another. Climate. Climate is the average weather in a place over many years. While the weather can change in just few hours, climate takes hundreds, thousands, even millions of years to change. Conclusion. Human induced climate change has contributed to changing patterns of extreme weather across the globe, from longer and hotter heat waves to heavier rains. From a broad perspective, all weather events are now connected to climate change. While natural variabilities continue to play a key role in extreme weather, Climate change has shifted the odds and changed the natural limits, making certain types of extreme weather more frequent and more intense. While our understanding of how climate change affects extreme weather is still developing, evidence suggests that extreme weather may be affected even more than anticipated. Extreme weather is on the rise, and indications are that it will continue to increase in both predictable and unpredictable ways. Thank you. We all thank you for being with us.